What the fuck, algorithm? I'm sleeping.
I love you, Johnny, and I want to show your videos to the whole world.
Fine. Just don't let my girlfriend find out. There is so much advice on YouTube about figuring out the algorithm, but is it really good advice?
They should go for quantity.
It's kind of like increasing your impression click-through rate.
Try combining viral video topics.
Click-through rate is important, and so is average view duration.
YouTube pushes it out, so you could actually be disrupting the process. Make sure that your video is the one that you'll work.
There's got to be an easier way. YouTube creators always talk about how click-through rate and video watch time are the most significant metrics when it comes to the algorithm. Ow. But they always forget the most important aspect, and that is human emotion. To the average creator, this concept probably does not make sense because most of us don't associate emotions with an algorithm. But the creator who can elicit the most emotions with their videos is the one that will get the most engagement with both the algorithm and the viewers. Here's how to do that in 3 easy steps. First step, overemphasize and over-design your thumbnail. Thumbnails are the doorway to the magical land of content. If someone doesn't click on your thumbnail, they will not watch your video. Excuse me, ma'am. Could you spare a single thumbnail click?
Nope.
It's too boring.
Mommy, he smells like poop.
I suggest modeling the thumbnails that have already worked. Grab 3 or 4 thumbnails from successful creators on YouTube, go to Midjourney and enter /describe. Choose your favorite thumbnail from YouTube and let the magic happen. Midjourney will then generate 4 different prompts that accurately describe what is depicted in the thumbnail. Select one of the prompts and add your personal touch to it. You'll receive back a thumbnail with your unique style infused with the color and style of the successful one you initially chose. You can leave it as it is, or add some text on top using Canva or any other photo editor. This method is a fantastic way to elicit more emotions from viewers and make them eager to click. Let's move on to step 2. In this step, we are going to find exactly which videos in your niche are performing the best in terms of date posted, title structure, topic, video length, and views. This basically means that at the end of this video, you will have an exact formula to make your videos go viral. This hack calls for a secret ChatGPT prompt that analyzes popular channels in your niche and gives you the best possible video ideas to get millions of views. The first thing you do is enter the secret prompt into ChatGPT. It will then ask you which niche you want to create viral videos for. As soon as you tell it your niche, it will then ask you to input some data from popular YouTube channels. Simply find 1 or 2 popular channels in your specific niche, go to their channel page, and copy all of their video data up to 4 months. Do not go further back than 4 months. Copy it exactly as I am doing it on my screen. Go back to GPT and paste the information in the box and press enter. ChatGPT will then organize all of the data based on video length, upload date, title structure, views, and give you viral video ideas based on the videos that performed the best. You now can create a video based around a title, topic, video length, and view count that you already know has done extremely well with viewers on YouTube. That secret ChatGPT prompt that I mentioned earlier is in the description below. Also, while you're down there, please hit that like button and subscribe if you're getting value out of this video so far. The last and final step is to
Engage!
Wait, who said that? God, is that you?
God doesn't have as many subscribers as I do.
Mr. Beast! It's an honor to meet you.
Yes, I know. Remember that no matter how good your videos are, you are nothing without your viewers.
I totally agree.
Yes, I know. You see, engaging with our viewers makes the experience more real and authentic. Hey, Johnny, would you like a Feastables chocolate bar?
Those always give me explosive diarrhea.
What?
Did I say that aloud?
Teach your viewers about the community tab, John.
I won't let you down.
You know, some people say that these are better than Hershey's.
Okay, fine, just give it to me. Not many creators know about the power of the community tab. This section of your channel contributes to massive amounts of subscribers over time. Creating posts, questions, and polls in the community section directly influences the algorithm and forces it to pay attention to your channel. You'll notice that every big YouTube creator interacts with their community quite often because they know it's necessary to gain subscribers and popularity. It's the secret weapon that most people do not utilize when trying to grow a small channel. Let's get very serious here for a second. You are probably watching this video because you want to grow your small YouTube channel. You probably want to stop working at your shitty job where you have to answer to a boss who is not grateful of you. I totally understand. Becoming successful on YouTube takes a lot of time. But does it really have to? I have taken the best hacks and secrets from all of the top YouTubers and combined them in a complete and comprehensive online course specifically designed for people who want to grow their small YouTube channels. It's a very fun, engaging, and easy to understand course designed for those people who want to achieve YouTube success faster than most small YouTubers. To learn from the best and supercharge your YouTube channel, simply click on the course link in the description. I want to thank you for spending your valuable time watching this video that I made for you guys. If you want to watch another video about how I made $1,000 on a single faceless video, then click right here.